Hey guys, this is Kuzomari here, back with another video. In this video today, I'm going to be drawing Luffy on my phone. I used my Samsung Galaxy Note 5 and my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 to actually draw this whole illustration. The reason why I ended up doing it on the Note 5 and the Note 8 is because I was currently using the Note 5 when I first started to draw this, and then I got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and I transferred the file over and I continued it on the Note 8. I first started this illustration on my Note 5. That was actually quite a while ago. I don't always draw on my phone. Sometimes I do like concept sketches and stuff like that, but for this one I just kind of started sketching it, and I decided that I wanted to pretty much do something that would only be on my free time and not something where I was just sitting there only drawing on my phone. So this was me kind of doing it when I remembered it was there, when I wasn't really around a computer or anything. So that's why it actually took so long for me to finish. I actually didn't sit there and draw it for months and months, you know. Yeah, I would draw it a little bit here and a little bit there, and since it was on my phone, I could draw it when I was out and about. When I got my Note 8, I actually was taking a bath and I realized, and I had my phone with me, and I realized, I was like, oh yeah, that's right, like I knew my phone was waterproof, and I was like, oh yeah, I have that illustration on here. So I started to do some work on it. So anytime I wanted to relax in the bath, I ended up taking my Note 8 with me and doing a lot more work on this. You can actually see when I started using the Note 8 in this video earlier on, the sidebars that are gray here, when I zoom in and out, that was black earlier, and that was on my Note 5. Actually drawing it on my Note 5 before Sketchbook actually released their newest update that gave a lot more tools and stuff. And I said Sketchbook, and I actually didn't say what app I was using yet, but yeah, I used Autodesk Sketchbook on here. And ever since their new update, it's not really new now, but their new update from, you know, how it was for the longest time, they upgraded a lot of the tools for the mobile version, and it became so much better than it was before. I've done other speed paints with my Note 5 for this channel before, and that was still back when the new update didn't come. So when I got this new phone and I knew the tip was better than the Note 5, and the update for Sketchbook had all these new brushes to take more advantage of the higher pressure sensitivity for that brush, I was super excited. And I was like, okay, with this illustration, one of my goals was to try to push it as far as I could, see how far I could actually get with the quality of an illustration, you know, on a phone. And like I said a bit ago, I wanted to try to draw this when I was just out and about, but there were a few times I drew it at my desk and stuff like that. One of the days I drew the longest on it at my desk was when I was trying to get this video, this illustration completely done for the video so I could get it out the next day, which was, if you're watching this first day it came out, I actually finished it last night. Yeah, drawing this Note 8 with the pen tip and the pressure sensitivity and with the new Sketchbook update, it's really crazy experience. Well, in any case, that's pretty much all I gotta say for now. I'll let you guys watch the rest of this video, and I'll say a couple words at the end. Alrighty guys, it's coming up to the end here. I had a lot of fun drawing this illustration, and I really did try to push it as far as I possibly could. And it's just really crazy, you know, what you can do on a phone nowadays. Because, you know, you would think I maybe drew this on Clip Studio or Photoshop, but it's just, you know, having the right brushes, not necessarily having the right brushes, just knowing how to use the brushes that are there really made a difference. And I don't know, it's just crazy. But in any case, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to this channel, like what you see, please subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notified when each video comes out. And like always guys, I see you in the next video. Peace.